In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a quick quote and choose products from multiple suppliers quickly. First, on my dashboard, I go to quick quote. I enter a company's details. In this case, I have a dummy company called Sharp Electronics. I have many people that I deal with at this company, so I'm going to select one. I can put in a customer order number and choose a delivery date. The delivery date is when you want the goods from your supplier, and the deadline date is when you want to give the goods to your client. To put in here, you can collapse that window and start sourcing your products. So if your customer is having a golf day and they're looking for caps, cooler bags, umbrellas, golf shirts, and lanyards, you can choose multiple suppliers. So this is the product searching tool. I'm going to look for a cooler bag from Amrod. And here is a Glacier 24 can cooler. There's the price according to your discount structure. The system is connected to Amrod directly to their servers and pulls the data according to your discount structure. I can check stock without logging into Amrod's website. We've got 75 in stock and there are 3,000 incoming, and this is the ETA. I'm going to go ahead and add this to my quote. This is a quantity. Predefined markup, which you can set. Add this to my quote, and you can see the quantity, your cost price, your selling price, your markup, and now let's deal with branding. The branding button is intuitive. To the default branding from Amrod according to your discount structure. You can select multiple branding types if they are available, or you can select your own branding company if you wanted to go brand somewhere else. I'm going to save this button, and this block goes blue because we want you to know there's branding on this particular product. Next, let's go to Baron. I'm going to choose a golf shirt. A golfer at 146 Rand. Also check stock. And there's the golfer in black, small, medium, and large, or small. That's 96 units available. And I will now add Carter to my quote. Add my line item. Same as before. I can select my branding. Branding pulls through from Kevro or Baron, and there are multiple branding types available, but the default branding will pull through. For practical purposes, I'm now going to select K&Q, and maybe they've got a backpack. This Explorer backpack at $69.63. Product, and this particular one I can add branding. It pulls through the branding, saved, and all the branding goes blue. So in seconds I'm able to pull 3 different products from 3 different suppliers, check stock with a picture, and do a quote. Once I'm happy with all of this, I can then save and send, and an email manager will pop up. So at this stage, the system is now creating a PDF which will be designed in your company details, your logo, and here you can see as well as the picture. When you checked your quote out and you're happy with everything, all the details, the description, and the pricing, you can then select to choose, or you can choose to send the quote. Click yes, and your email manager pops up with your email connected to our system. And there is a standard template. Dear Chris, it gives the quote link, as well as a payment link. With a functionality over here where you can rewrite your quote. And the client a little bit of happiness here, thank you. We believe that the options that we provided will meet your needs perfectly. It then populates each product's quantity, description, and value. It gives a total, it gives the VAT, and it gives an estimated delivery date. And then it gives the customer a bit of comfort and a bit of push to close the deal. Send button, the email goes to the client. And it's as easy as that. There's your quote on your dashboard. It is.